Why is the law of attraction not working for you? Very simple. You're not using law of attraction every single day. Tell me in the chat window, yes or no. Are you guilty? Type in G for guilty in the chat window if you realize that you're not practicing law of attraction every single day. You're not doing your affirmations every day. You're not doing that time for double happiness, which I've taught you. You're not actually looking at your vision board every single day. During the day, you get into negative frequency. You allow yourself to feel, kyun nahi ho raha hai, kyun nahi ho raha hai. You become either Devdas or you become Meena Kumari. The point is, the only reason law of attraction doesn't work is because we don't use it properly. I guarantee you, if you use the science works. Why? Because if you tune the radio to 93.5, you got to attract 93.5. There is no way the science doesn't work. There is one way that we don't use the science. So how many of you promise me that you will be honest with me right now? Answer to me in the chat window. Are you guilty that you're not using law of attraction every single day properly? If yes, type in IP, I promise that you will start using law of attraction every single day from now, right now onwards for full 30 days. And if you'd like to personally practice with me, then join Daily Magic Practice with me, which I call as my 30 days challenge. Come work with us, join with us, practice magic every single day. कैसे काम नहीं करता यार, साइंस है, काम करता है.